Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal University School, Monash. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1 and today's topic is a house freehand drawing. So dear student, draw with me. That means you will open your CW copy and ready with your pencil and eraser and cutter. Now you will watch how I will draw the house. First, draw a straight line. Okay, look, this one is your first step. Then give this line and this line like this. But listen to me very carefully that this line and this line will be the same. Then give a line like this. After that, not from here, I have used a straight line again, and here I have also used a straight line from here. Then join this line like this type of line, straight line. Okay. Then give a beat and draw this line. And give a door and a window. Okay, and finally you will give this type of lines and draw these lines from here to here and erase the straight line. Okay, though this one is only house, if you want you can draw here a tree also. That one is not mandatory. Okay, this one is not mandatory. So dear student, this one is your SW also, SW number 9. You must draw at your home and submit at your school every Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear student, practice more for your better drawing. No more today. Stay safe at your home. Thank you.